In this video, you'll learn how to permanently delete pages in Notion. By following these steps, you will ensure that unwanted pages are removed completely from your workspace. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and enter, quote, Notion. So, quote, in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Notion homepage with options to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the screen. After signing in, you will be directed to your Notion workspace. Here, locate the page you wish to delete. You can find your pages listed in the sidebar on the left. Click on the specific page you want to remove. Ensure that you are viewing the correct page before proceeding to the next step. Next, look for the three dots icon, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. This icon represents additional options for the selected page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear displaying several options related to the page. From the drop-down menu, select the Move to Trash option. This action will send the page to the trash, but it will not be permanently deleted just yet. A confirmation may not appear, but you should see the page disappear from your workspace view. Once the page is moved to trash, find the trash section in the sidebar. Click on it to access all items that have been moved to the trash. You will see a list of deleted pages, including the one you just moved. Make sure to verify that your intended page is present in this list. Now, locate the page you want to permanently delete within the trash. Click on the page title or the area labeled Last Edited By to ensure you have selected the correct item. After confirming the page, next, click on the In option, which will allow you to view the specific location of the page within your workspace. Following this, navigate to the Team Spaces link to ensure you are in the correct workspace context. After confirming the correct workspace, click on a blank space within the trash section. This action will prepare the interface for the next deletion step. Once you have clicked on the blank space, look for the option to delete the page from the trash. Now click on the Delete from Trash option. A prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete this page from trash. This confirmation is essential to prevent accidental deletions. Finally, click on the confirmation message that states, are you sure you want to delete this page from trash? This step is crucial as it signifies the final action to permanently remove the page. After confirming, click on Delete Page to complete the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.